All right, here we're opening a 1997 Topps Screenplays. This is unopened, made by Kodak. It's a really cool movement card using, back then, high-end technology. So the best thing we could pull would be the premium series cards, which there's 6 players: Larry Walker, Cal Ripken Jr., Chipper Jones, Frank Thomas, Mike Piazza, and Ken Griffey. So we would really want the Ken Griffey Jr. Premium, or we want the Ken Griffey Jr. regular series. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open it up. There's also a Derek Jeter regular series card that would be nice to get. And then the third best card we could probably get, and there's only one card in these things. The third best card would probably be the Barry Bonds, Mark McGwire, Frank Thomas, something like that. All right, so here we go. This is going to reveal what we get when I move this up. Okay, it's Cal Ripken Jr. So we've got a Cal Ripken Jr. It's a chance that we could have the premium or a regular. There's one of each of Cal Ripken. So very beautiful case here. We just opened it. This is fresh out of the plastic, 1997. I found this at a thrift store, unopened. All right, we've got it open here. Okay, so here's the card. Now we're gonna flip it over to see if it's the regular or the premium Cal Ripken. Okay, oh, so there's protective plastic on both sides. It's 97, so I hope this plastic does not stick to the card and damage the card. Oh gosh, let's see. Gotta peel. Okay, gotta be careful when we're peeling this stuff off because it's old and it's really stuck to it. Oof. The fact it's so old is actually probably bad because this is really stuck to it. Okay, let's peel. Oh, this might not be good. I hope this doesn't peel off. It's leaving a little bit of residue, which hopefully we can get off. Oh, it's leaving behind the resin, the residue of the peel and stick. You could actually kind of see. It says, oh wait, that's the back. Okay, it's clear, so maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not leaving the residue of the peel and stick. Okay, I gotta peel this one now. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Topps Screenplays Cal Ripken. I think this is just the regular, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna...
I'll take Master Premium.
Sit it here and tell me if you can see him. Oh, check that out. So the card, actually, you can see him fielding the ball, and when you move it down, there he goes. He's diving for a catch. Cal Ripken looks like he's playing third, and he fields the ball. Nice. Cal Ripken was an amazing third baseman and shortstop. He has the Major League Baseball record all-time consecutive games played with, I think it's 2,600 some games played consecutively without missing, which is probably the hardest record to ever break in Major League Baseball, and he still holds that record. No one's even close to breaking it.
One, by the way.
So he is Baltimore Orioles shortstop / third baseman, holding the record for most consecutive games played, which will probably never be broken. And this is a pretty cool pull we got here. Good dollar thrift store find. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed.